Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Welcome back. We've got clear skies here in Middle Georgia this evening. That's going to help us cool off a little more quickly as we head into the rest of the evening, but we're also still seeing some breezy conditions as well. Just looking out right now on the 41 sky view overlooking downtown Dublin this evening. You can see that breeze definitely working its way through, but otherwise it's not too cold yet. We are looking at some cooler temperatures overnight tonight that will allow us to drop into the 40s by early tomorrow morning. But otherwise 61 degrees out there right now. Dew points have already started to fall into the 40s, so that's more of that dry air that's pushing in behind that cold front, and that's going to allow us to cool off into the 40s by tomorrow morning. But today we started out at 62 degrees, made it up to 82 this afternoon. So a warm day. We're actually going to be taking a break from the 80s for a little while as we are heading into tomorrow, and our highs only get into the 60s. Right now, though, sitting at 58 here in Macon, 52 up in Atlanta, and seeing 40s in parts of Tennessee. So that's going to be us by early tomorrow morning, but it is going to take a while to finally get there. I do want to show you where we are seeing some of that drier air. So already have those dew points in the 30s further to our north. Atlanta sitting at 39 for that dew point, so that's very dry air. But we're still seeing some places in the 60s just to our south. So that cold front has already made its way through. You can see in general all of the rain and everything associated with that well off to our north and to our east. So nothing to worry about as far as any kind of rainfall for tonight. It's just going to be getting a little bit chilly out there by tomorrow morning. Otherwise, this high pressure going to stick with us for a little while. So we won't need the umbrellas this week. I can go ahead and tell you that, but we will need the jackets as we're heading out tomorrow morning. It is going to be starting out cool. Temperatures only getting into the upper 60s, and with the breezy conditions, still might be a little bit cool for you even by the afternoon. But as we're heading into Wednesday, that cold air is going to move off. We are going to start to really rebound our temperatures pretty quickly through the day on Wednesday, back into some middle 70s with plenty of sunshine. However, as we're moving into Thursday, expect to see a little bit more in the way of that cloud cover. All of the rain chances stay well to our north, so we're not super worried about any of that. We're going to see the 80s back as we're heading towards the end of the week. So this is just going to be a little small dip in our temperatures, nothing to really worry about. So we're heading into tomorrow morning, though, once again, 48 degrees by around 5 a.m. Staying breezy overnight tonight and into tomorrow. It's going to stay breezy there as well. Wind gusts around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Otherwise, by lunchtime, temperatures only in the upper 50s. Sunshine's going to help out, though. It's not going to feel quite as bad. 66 degrees by around 3 p.m. And you take a look as we're heading into the weekend. Everything stays very quiet forecast-wise. We are going to see our temperatures back in the middle 80s for Saturday and into Sunday. And then really, kind of the bigger story is that by Monday of next week, we could see our temperatures getting close to 90 degrees. This is before we see our next chance for some rainfall that's going to push in here, likely sometime Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. In just 10 seconds, I'll have a look at our 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
And here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. Temperatures will be slowly warming up from the upper 60s tomorrow, back to the low 80s by Thursday. Plenty of sunshine on the way for the week, but the bigger story is that by next week, we're going to see temperatures getting close to 90 degrees on Monday.